Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna here. Basically, we are discussing one of the topic that is city creation. In this, basically, we are discussing about one topic that is Microsoft creation. And Microsoft creation, basically, we have almost discussed. In this, basically, we are discussing one Apple creation, basically. So another person told that basically what Apple creation basically, and not only Apple, basically each and every things basically. So one of the person told that yes, here basically it's very dangerous to create one Apple also basically. It's a income is basically there basically, but say it's a huge level risk also basically. See the basically income, see basically 25 50 crore, sorry 500 crore basically. And if he basically gets the income, add basically income of US dollar basically, then it comes to $500 basically, 500 crore dollar basically. So you can just imagine basically. But one of the person told that these all basically are included in the Apple basically. Few people basically told that basically practically that is not possible to show basically in front of the public that basically this data are included, that data are included, this data are included. So they basically segregated into the medical language basically, that is vitamin basically. So 13 vitamin basically contains all below incidence basically. For example, 1983 World Cup basically. That data basically is included in vitamins basically. Then basically 2011 World Cup, that is also basically included in any of the vitamins. Then basically the 1993, 93, okay, 19, just a minute. Bomb blast basically happened when basically 1993 bomb blast basically. That data basically are also included. Then basically the September 11 incidents basically, which happened basically. That data are also basically included in the vitamin format basically. But that basically you can't say that to the public basically. That basically भाई हम लोग इसमें भी डाल, we are putting the data into the Apple also basically. We are putting the data into the Apple also basically. We are putting the data into the Chiku also basically. That basically you can't say basically to public basically. Supreme Court basically we can't say basically that अरे भाई तुम ही डिसीजन लेते हो भाई. Your bodies basically are taking the decision basically, which would be the good decision basically. So you can just imagine basically how dangerous things basically are connected. So just basically 13 vitamins basically. One of the person told that in vitamin A basically what are the things included basically. So one of the person told that basically need to check basically. We will take basically few examples basically here. So assume basically that I'm preparing one table basically. Vitamins list incident. So in vitamin list basically we will take few vitamins only basically, because in real basically there are more than hundreds of vitamins basically. Now here basically assume that basically vitamin A basically I have taken 93 bomb blast. Data. Vitamin C basically I have taken September 11 World Trade Center data. Here basically the thing is negative and positive both data basically are included. Negative and positive both data basically are included basically. Because you can't tell public we have taken basically 93 bomb blast data and basically in Apple also basically. You can't say basically directly to the public basically. You can say basically no, you can't say basically. So one of the person told that basically you are correct basically you can't say. Then basically he told that basically what are the else basically which are basically included. Then he told that basically all antibiotics in vitamin D. In vitamin C basically. So you can just imagine basically the things basically are connected basically. So one of the person told that yes basically it's very dangerous basically. This basically you can say public basically by vitamin C, and उसमें we have added September 11 data also basically. We have added and basically 93 bomb blast data in vitamin A also basically. Just take care basically. Then one of the person told that vitamin D जो है ना उसमें हमने all antibiotic of the disease basically. So one of the person told that basically if you eat basically apple basically and assume that basically somebody tracked you basically that ये जो आदमी था ना he is also basically included in 93 bomb blast. So is basically the group basically that is the that is the nuclear power company group basically is going to track this basically. Is going to track that basically is very dangerous basically. That basically converts to very dangerous thing basically. So one of the person told that yes basically yeah. That's the thing basically. That was the thing basically. One of the person told that also basically. So one of the person told that it's very dangerous here basically. Each and everything basically it's very dangerous. So one of the person told that yes here basically it's very dangerous. So one of the person told that to eat also basically nowadays what to eat, what to not eat basically. That basically you must have the antibiotic of all the thing basically that which you are basically having the data basically. So another person told that yes basically you are correct. Then basically see basically what are the else thing basically which is going to connect. See basically now basically assume that some railway reservation incidents basically happen. In that basically lots of things basically happen. That data are also basically taken. Assume that basically in few presidents of in USA basically died. That data are also taken here. So just see basically here basically I will take the example of 10 Abraham Lincoln basically which was killed by Botham. John Wilkes Booth Botham basically. John Wilkes Booth basically. That also basically you can say. John Wilkes Booth basically. So next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this data.